Tired of handing over your phone number just to access Google services? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create a Google account without it. First, head over to the Google account creation page by typing Create Google Account into any search engine and selecting the official Google link. You'll see the account creation form. Enter your first and last name. Be sure to use a name you can remember. Next, create a username. Google will check if it's available and suggest alternatives if needed. Now, create a strong password. Make sure it's a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Confirm it by typing it again in the confirm field. Here's where the magic happens. After entering your password, you'll see fields for recovery, email, and phone number. The phone number is usually marked as optional now, but if Google prompts you to enter a phone number, look for a skip option or a recovery email address instead. If you have a secondary email you can use for recovery, add it now, then click Next. Review the privacy and terms. Scroll down to the bottom and click I agree. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google account without phone number verification. You can now access services like Gmail, Drive, and YouTube. Keep in mind that some features might be limited without a verified phone number. But you've taken a great step towards more privacy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.